outside edge with a quarter, with an eighth of an inch, that stabilizes all the pieces, so.
You cut an eighth of an inch or you stitch? You stitch
You
it?
stitch an
Okay.
eighth of an inch all the way around your block.
From here, yep.
So then what you're going to do is cut strips, a 1-inch strip. This is going to go on the back of your thing. And then you cut a 1 5/8 inch. And the 1 5/8 inch, you're gonna iron it like you do your binding. So then you're gonna put the one piece on the back and one piece on the front. So then you're going to sew pieces here. Got them all sewed together here. So you can see you sew one on one side and one on the other. And then when you get it together, you're going to sew this to the block, the next block. And then when you get that done, then you will turn this over and stitch. So I'll pass that around so you can see what you do with the first one. So you can see these, you stitch, put that on the back so you can put your things together. So you've sewed them both, and then when you get that sewed, then you're going to take this and sew it over that. So you pass it around. It's real simple. But when you put them together, your batting goes together so there's no hole in between. So it's just stitching one thing and then stitching the other one over.
So then when you do your rows together, then you do the same
You
thing
do the
with
same
long
thing.
pieces of.
Yeah.
So does your second block sew to the one that's on the back?
Yeah, me too.
I can see where the
Yeah.
See, so this is your, where you put the one piece, so you're going to sew the next piece right on that. Let's give me that.
That's gonna be as pretty as the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're gonna sew that right on there.
Okay.
When you get that sewed, then you turn that over, and then you're gonna stitch this side down.
Oh.
So when you get done, that's what one side looks like, and that's what the other side looks
Oh.
like.
So if you're gonna do 2 different colors of binding, you better make sure you got
Yeah.
your right top of your
A
body.
good suggestion, we used a lot of crystals pieces on the back, as you can see. Yeah, Dad was here and we were doing that. Get it right side up yet. But if I was doing it, I'd put them all in the same color, your strips, instead of putting it in brown.
So you don't have to keep track.
Well,
You mean on both sides, front and back, same
no,
color?
no,
No.
just on the back. On your backing, if you're gonna use a plain back, use the same strip, the same 1-inch strip. Because it's hard to do your seams, so when you do it.
Mm-hmm.
You do that.
Sounds fairly simple in theory.
Exactly right.
And you don't get to play with it.
Yeah,
because
once you get
gave
it.
them shoes.
Yeah, I know, right? I can't even play with it. Marge will have to send it home with me so I remember 2 months from now what I was supposed to do.
You know where she lives.
Yeah.
Okay, so you stitch those together and then flip that over and stitch it down.
It's a good way to use a
pieces of this